Hi, hello, my dear students. To continuing my lecture on chapter Physical World Units and Measurement, today I am going to discuss about from this chapter previous year NEET questions, how they are asking and what type of questions are asked from this chapter in NEET and JEE. And one more thing, up to now I uploaded 9 lectures on this topic. Please go through it. I'll discuss fundamentals, concepts on those 9 lectures. Those fundamentals and concepts are helpful for solving any type of problem asked in this chapter. So I already told in first lecture the weightage of this chapter is 1 question to 2 questions. That means 4 marks to 8 marks is the weightage of this chapter. So this 4 marks to 8 marks is easy to scoreable from this chapter. If any question is asked from this chapter, it is easy to scoreable. So be focused on this questions, how they are asking year by year the question format and how they are changing the pattern. So please be focused. So let me focus here. Now 2017 NEET question. This is a physical quantity of the dimensions of length that can be formed out of C, G and E square by 4 pi epsilon naught is. What is the meaning for this? How length can be expressed in the form of C, G and E square by 4 pi epsilon naught. That we need to find here. Here C means velocity of light. G means, capital G means gravitational constant and E means charge here. Have you noted this problem? Right. Here are options. 1 by C square into square root of G square by 4 pi epsilon naught. C square into square root of G square by 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 by C square into square root of E square by G into 4 pi epsilon naught. D is option D, 1 by C into G E square by 4 pi epsilon naught. 4 options are given. Which option is suitable we need to find here. So I think you are note down this problem because space is not enough for this problem. I need to rub this one. So like these questions are given. So first initial step, what we do. So here, so which quantity we need to express? Length. In which case we express C, capital G, E square by 4 pi epsilon naught. In which case we need to express like this, C power A. So we take C power A, G power B and E square by 4 pi epsilon power C. So we need to find here A comma B comma C value. Then L is expressed in case of C power A, G power B, E square by 4 pi epsilon power C. So we got answer for this one. So what we need to find here, A comma B comma C values. Here observe carefully. Dimensions of left side is equal to dimension formula of left side is equal to dimension formula of right side. This is very important. By using this concept only, we need to find the answer for this question, right? So first we need to find dimension formula for each and every quantity. Dimension formula for length. Dimension formula for length. So L is equal to M power 0, L power 1, T power 0. This is dimensional formula for length. Then dimensional formula for next parameter is what ma? C. Dimensional formula for C. So already given in the question, C is what? Velocity of light. So velocity of light unit meter per second. Then how can we express in dimensional formula? L t power minus 1. Here there is no mass term, that's why m power 0. Next, dimensional formula for capital G. Capital G. How we need to find here? We know already. Gravitational force Fg is equal to G into m1 m2 by r square. So from this G is equal to Fg into r square by m1 into m2. Then what is unit here? Force is measured in Newton. R square means meter square by m1 into m2 means kg square. So then how to find dimensional formula here? So dimensional formula for G is Newton means mLt power minus 2. Meter square means L square by kg square means m square. M square cancelled. That means what we got here? M power minus 1. L cube t power minus 2. So this is the dimensional formula for capital G. Now dimensional formula for E square by 4 pi epsilon naught. Dimensional formula for E square by 4 pi epsilon naught. How we need to find this dimensional formula for E square by 4 pi epsilon naught? Let us consider two charges here. This is one charge, this is another charge. The distance between these two charges is I consider as R. Then electrostatic force of attraction between these two charges F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 into Q2. That means E square by distance between, square of the distance between these two. That means F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into E square by R square. So here what we need to find? E square by 4 pi epsilon naught value. E square by 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to F into R square. That means dimensional formula for F, M power 1, L power 1, T power minus 2. R square is L square. So then what we got? M power 1, L cube, T power minus 2. This is a dimensional formula for E square by 4 pi epsilon naught. So first of all, express in case of C power A, G power B, E square by 4 pi epsilon naught power C, and after that find dimensional formula for each and every parameter and substituting those dimensional formulas. So this is a step-by-step process. Next, substitute these dimensions here. Dimensional formula for length is what we here substitute here. Dimensional formula for length. Dimensional formula for length is we have present here in this case of so because here L is equal to C power A, G power B, E square by 4 pi epsilon naught power C. So dimensional formula for length is expressed in case of M power 0, L power 1, T power 0 here, and C power A. C power A means C means velocity of light. Velocity of light is dimensional formula Lt power minus 1 whole power A. G power B. G means M power 1, M power minus 1, L cube, T power minus 2 power B. Next, E square by 4 pi epsilon naught. E square by 4 pi epsilon naught, M power 1, L cube, T power minus 2 whole power C. Whole power C here. So from this, what we got from this? So we need to find. So from this. So from this, what we got here? So observe carefully. So here, comparing both sides powers. Compare both sides. Compare both sides powers. Or it may be exponents. So here M power 0 is there. Here M power. First M power something. Here 0 is there. Here this side M power minus B, M power C. That means minus B plus C is equal to 0. This is the first equation we got. And again L power 1 is there. That means 1 is equal to this side L power A is there. A. L power 3B, that means 3B. Here 3C. So this is equation 2. This is equation 1. Next, third equation. T power 0 is there. That means 0 is equal to. So T power minus A. Here T power minus 2B. Here T power minus 2C. This is equation 3. By using this 3 equation, we need to find A comma B comma C values. Observe these two. So adding these two, a going to be cancelled. Then 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Here we got 3b minus 2b is equal to b. 3c minus 2c, we got c. b plus c is equal to 1. This is equation 4 I consider. So from equation 1, what is equation 1? 0 is equal to minus b plus c, and minus b plus c, this is equation 1. Adding these two, so now add these two. Here also we are adding only. So adding these two, what we got here? So here also addition. Adding these two, what we got? 1 plus 0, 1 is equal to b minus b going to be cancelled. C plus c is equal to 2c. Then c is equal to what we got here? 1 by 2. C is equal to 1 by 2. From equation 1, from 1. So from 1, what is the 1 here? Minus b plus c is equal to 0. That means b is equal to c from this. That means b also 1 by 2 only. B also 1 by 2 only. Then how to find a? From equation 2. From 2. So from 2, what is equation 2? From 2, what is from 2 here? From 2, a plus 3b plus 3c is equal to 1. So that means here a is equal to minus 3b minus 3c plus 1. So that means minus 3 into b value is 1 by 2, minus 3 into c value is 1 by 2 plus 1. That means minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. That means minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 6 by 2 plus 1. That means minus 3 plus 1. What we got here? Minus 2. That means a value is we got here minus 2. So from this case we got here a, b, c and values. A value is minus 2, b value is 1 by 2, c value is 1 by 2. So now these values we got here. So whenever we know these values, so if you know these values, so then it is easy to express it in the case of L here. So how to express L in case of now? So it is easy to express. So that is only our question. What is our question here? How L will be expressed? Now a value, b value is known, means it is easy to express. L is equal to c power a g power b e square by 4 pi epsilon naught power c. That means c power a means what is a value? Minus 2. A value is minus 2. G power b. B value is what? 1 by 2. E square by 4 pi epsilon naught. Power c value is also 1 by 2. Then how can we write this one? C power minus 2 means 1 by c square. We write g power 1 by 2 e square power e square by 4 pi epsilon naught power 1 by 2 means we express it as square root of g into e square by 4 pi epsilon naught. So we can be expressed in the case of length should be expressed in the case of 1 by c square into square root of g into e square by 4 pi epsilon. This is answer for this question. Thank you.